Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, thank you so much for coming back, and welcome new viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and also leave a comment down below. So you guys, first things first, I'm not feeling my hair straight. I hate it. It's probably going to be curly by the end of the weekend because I just cannot, I can't do my hair straight no more. I've been natural for too long and I can't do the straight anymore. So if you see me kind of just doing this throughout this intro, it's because I hate my hair right now. But yeah, it's gonna be curly too by the end of the weekend. I can feel it because I just hate my hair like this. Like I just can't take it. It's just I just can't. Like this is, it has body bounce or whatever, but this is I can't do this. So yeah, I gotta get back to my natural curly. But anywho, I don't want this video to be long and me ranting about my hair. But today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on, see, I can't stop doing this. I hate my hair right now, but just can't stop. But anywho, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look here. I would call this kind of, you know, like kind of just smoky eyes and dark vampy lips. So I'm just going to say this is a dark vampy fall makeup tutorial because I just kind of got inspired and wanted to do something a little bit different, and there are no lashes of course, which doesn't make it that dramatic, but I've really been having a lot of trouble with my eyes and them being very irritable, so I don't want to do anything to really kind of mess with them, but I'm going to try to put on some lashes this weekend and see how that works. But yeah, this is gonna be a makeup tutorial on this look here, and I don't have anything else to say. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, most importantly, and also hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so you never ever miss an upload from me. Alright guys, so I've already moisturized and primed my skin, and now I'm just going in with foundation, and today I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'll link the shade that I'm using down below in the description box so you'll know what shade I'm using. So if you're kind of the same complexion as me, this will probably be a close match for you. And I'm just going in with my Eco Tools blending sponge to blend that foundation out. So I have all the information for the products that I'm using down below, so you guys will definitely see the products that I'm using and the shades that I'm using as well. Alright you guys, so I'm going to continue blending this foundation out, and following foundation I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting concealer in the shade Sand. I love this concealer so much. The coverage is amazing, and it doesn't crease up on me, and when I set it, it just gives me just the perfect, just beautiful highlight. So I've been using this foundation every day for a while, and I just love it so much. Alright you guys, once I'm done blending out concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Matte Stick in the shade Espresso, and the shade Toffee, and I'm just going to use this as a contour because I want my face to kind of be a little bit more sculpted and shaped, trying to get rid of this fat face. So I'm just going in with that stick to really just kind of contour with. And following that, I'm going to set my concealer, the places I applied concealer, with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I mixed the shade Banana and Terracotta. And I just love how those two just came out together. Like, I love these two shades together because it gives me the perfect color that I'm looking for. I was normally using Banana by itself, but I picked up Terracotta and mixed it with Banana, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I love this combination. It's just so awesome and so amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Powder in Cafe. I use this to contour all the time. You guys know me. I use it all the time. I love this powder to contour my face with. And it just gives me just the most beautiful coverage. The most beautiful contour. And of course, I'm going in to contour that nose. The nose has got to be snatched at all times, of course. Using that same powder, I'm snatching that nose. Following the nose snatch, I'm just going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50, which is a little bit dark for me, but I just lightly dust it on and make it work. Going all over my face to make sure everything is just kind of blended out a little bit more smoothly, and I'm kind of cutting that contour just ever so slightly. Then for blush, I'm going in with Tarte Amazonian Clay and Party. And for highlight, I'm using the Maybelline's Masterchrome Highlight in Molten Gold, which is like my favorite highlighter ever. I haven't found a highlighter I love as much as this one. And on top of that, it's inexpensive, which is so dope. This is why I love this highlighter so much. And you see that glow, baby. You see that glow. All right, going in with a little bit of bronzer in between that highlight and blush. I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Queensland, and I'm just taking this NYX matte setting spray to kind of set my makeup and keep it locked in place. Just fanning off. Next, I'm going in with the eyes. I'm taking this Maybelline's Color Tattoo Eye Chrome, and this one is in the shade Gunmetal. And this is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful eye product. I love it so much. I've used it once before and I fell in love with it. I've used it as a base for eyeshadow before, and I've also used it by itself. And it is just amazing. Maybelline has really come through with just some amazing products. This product, I've had it for a while. It's not new. It's fairly old and been in my collection for a while. So I'm just taking this product and I'm placing it all over my lid, and then I'm going in with a flat brush to just kind of smooth it on out to make sure everything is nice and even. And then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to blend around. I'm going to blend around that color, and I'm using to blend the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And I'm using the shade Peach Tea to blend around that. So I'm just cleaning up that area. And following Peach Tea, I also used Peach Sangria to go in on top of Peach Tea. So I used Peach Tea to blend around first. And then I also went on top with Peach Sangria. So I'm just doing the same thing with the other eye. Once again, applying it with the applicator onto my lid. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and smooth it out. Then I'm going to take Peach Tea and I'm going to just blend around it with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go on top of that with Peach Sangria just to give me like a more purpley effect. So I'm just repeating those same steps on the other eye. Once again, I love this eye chrome. It is so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. It gives me vampy vibes. Like, this is why I was like, oh my gosh, like I forgot I had this. So I wanted to do something kind of smoky and vampy and just kind of not black, but kind of like gray. Give me like a mixed metals vibe. And I just love this. It's so dope. Alright, you guys, so underneath my eyes, I'm lining them with the Revlon Colorstay eyeliner in black, or 201. And then I'm going underneath with the shade Peach Sangria. And I'm going to blend out Peach Sangria with the Mauve purple color in that palette. It's called Just Right. So I'm using a fluffy brush to blend out Peach Sangria with Just Right, because I want it to be kind of just not too shimmery, because Peach Sangria does have a little bit of shimmer in it. So I'm going to use Just Right to kind of add a little bit of mauviness to the lower lash line. Alright, you guys, so I'm using mascara. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero. mascara. I couldn't think of the name. It's Cosmetic Superhero Mascara because I'm not using lashes today. Once again, my eyes have just been so irritable, so decided to just use mascara today. And then for lips, last but not least, I'm using the Matte Lipstick-Instigator. And this is just a beautiful, dark, purpley fall winter color. I love it so much. I wear it in the summertime as well, but you know, most of the time you see the dark lips in the cooler months. So this is pretty much it, you guys. Just checking myself out, but I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll see you in the next video.